me a countdown, bro.
3, 2, 1.
You already recording? What's up, everybody? So we got firing order and which way the distributor turns. But I'm making new wires for this 390 here. We ordered some, but of course, they were wrong. So we got some universal that you kind of make yourself. You see what they come with these little clips here. And you got to have a special crimper. Looks like this. Crimp it with that. After you put your plug wire in there. But I'll show you how to do it in just a second. So first thing you want to do is plug your plug in. I always start with the longest. Then I work my way to the shortest. The cylinders are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on this motor. And on a Chevrolet, it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 and 1 would be opposite each other on a Chevrolet. So that's what I'm used to doing. So I've got to think about it a little more on this Ford. But anyways, it's all the same. Plug your wire on there, get you a link. You want to get your routing correct. Get you a link. And what color is it? Go ahead and cut it. You like the way that looks? You like the way that looks? You the boss man.
Maybe do it a little bit longer so you have a little bit of slack.
That's a good idea. That's a good idea. But you don't want it to be rubbing nothing either. Give it too much slack, it'll be laying down there and getting hot. You know what I'm saying? You want to give yourself enough room by these manifolds where it ain't close to the manifold. So you know what I'm saying? Then you cut it. Like that. They a little dull.
I got some somewhere.
These are yours.
Oh.
The handles fell off of me.
Oh. Good stuff.
But you see there's a little hole there. So you don't cut through that that core wire. So you gotta line it up about a 1/2 inch back. And make sure you stick your tongue out when you do it. Like that. Cut it. Then twist it. You're left with these little strands and this little black core wire.
Then you drop some tools. You got to do that.
That's right. So you got to fold this core wire back and crimp this thing on. Just like so.
After you put the boot on.
I always put the boot on last.
Do you?
Yeah. These
because they're angled, yeah.
Yeah, the angled ones you got to put on first. Yeah. But you see your core wire folded over right there? You want it about a 1/16 of an inch away from that ring when you crimp it, about right there.
When you do custom Build-A-Bear wires like this, you can actually tailor them to the size you want versus you just buy a box off the shelf. They're for a range of cars, so one of them may be a whole lot longer than you want, and that just makes for a messy look in the engine compartment. So this way you do it exactly to the length you want. And then we got a whole bunch of 18-inch pieces of wire left over that we can walk up and slap Austin in the back of the legs with it.
Give him a switching.
Yeah.
They give you a little pack of grease. Put it on the end of that thing. A little bit goes a long way.
That's a lot of it.
What's?
Sometimes I get carried away, my brother.
Yeah. You don't want to have a lot left over when you're done.
So just rub a little bit in that hole right there, and then stick it in.
Yeah.
But
That's all you gotta
all right,
do.
so pay attention. See the hole there? You don't want to stick it in upside down, because then you have to twist this sucker. And they're hard to twist once they're in there.
That's what I hear.
Mm-hmm. Look down in that hole. Cut your light on us. Tell me when to stop. That's a bad plan. That's a bad idea. Let me use my light. So I know when to stop. They can be tough sometimes, especially when you're crippled.
Compressor's still on and he's filming?
All right, look down in there. See where it's at? What it's supposed to look like. Got it? I ain't ready. Come here, hammer.
So, right now we have to drain the oil, gotten the bullets out.
I don't know what kind of glue they used on this oil pan, but sure wish I had that drain plug that you lost.
You can't believe I can know it with him.
Why ain't the drain plug right here?
The oil pan should be coming in sometime today, right, Matt?
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead.
So
I'll just stick that in there to keep it from leaking all over the place in there.
explain the situation, okay?
Do I?
Explain the situation.
Yeah, so we're hoping we can get this out of here without having to jack the motor up. I've already tried. See, I got the motor mounts loose. But it's just picking the whole car up off the lift. Plus, we don't have a whole lot of clearance between the bell housing and the firewall right here where my hand is. We got a whole lot of clearance right here. So we can only go up just a hair anyway. We could get it to go up. But anyways,
Will
yeah.
it come out?
They used aircraft grade silicone on this sucker. God dang it, it's on there, dude. I'm about to get the sledgehammer out.
I'll just get a chisel.
I already did that.
It won't come out?
Yeah, I even stuck that chisel in there and beat it with a sledgehammer. It won't come off, dude. Ain't nothing like having a wire brush up in between your fingernail.
They used to do that to me in NAM.
Oh yeah, me too. I'm used to it.
Yeah.
Yeah, they didn't even need bolts.
I'm telling you.
Yeah, you're rocking the motor. Did I ever tell you
Pulled
time
a muscle in my shoulder.
Did I ever tell you the time I picked the motor up with the engine hoist and then realized there were no bolts in the intake?
Oh yeah,
That was
just
all the Indian head.
That's
Yeah.
some good stuff. I like
That
it.
is.
So it's a good thing we're getting a new oil pan.
Yeah, because that one's wrecked.
And of course it ain't long as coming. Looks like that sway bar wasn't right there.
If that
Drop
sway bar
right
wasn't
around.
there, it might come out.
Unbolted in. Just his bolt. Motor door. Might still need it.
That oil filter looks pretty sturdy.
That's not what I'm aiming for. Gotta go right here next to it on that thread.
So you did mention that jacking your car up from the oil pan is a bad idea?
Yeah, I think we mentioned that in a couple videos
Yeah.
ago, but yeah. It looks like somebody, there's a
slid
perfect
off of there,
circle
yeah.
right here. It looks like a jack, some type of jack. I don't know why they didn't use
That's after 3 or 4 pumps, they realized, yeah, that's not gonna work.
I don't know why they didn't use the. Oh yeah, there we go. Get it somewhere now. We'll just
Oh,
leave
yeah.
it right there.
It bent it. It bent it, you
Yeah.
can see it.
I'll tweak that back down just like that.
Yep.
She ready for a new pan. I fixed them before too, but yeah, that thing's trash.
Yeah.
Austin.
What did you do?
Look,
I know.
You're making a mess, Austin.
that wasn't me.
I think it was.
That would imply I was working.
A lot of cars you can't get the oil pan out of. It's
No.
a freaking nightmare.
I'm just looking at his
Looks
deal.
like somebody been in there.
Oh, I took the valve cover off earlier to find the compression stroke.
Yeah.
That dang thing's branch making new under there.
Oh, is it?
Everything.
He told me it was all rebuilt, but then
Yeah.
it just sat.
Yeah.
All
That's
right,
your dipstick.
You ready to get the long oil pan?
That's hilarious. I need something to wipe my hands off on. We got some paper towels.